Alright, yo, what up, you all, Daniel Jesse here with iCapture Films, and I bought this. This is an RGB light. It's beautiful. And so I saw this in the market and I decided to get it. I think it will look nice. Putting it behind me, creating this awesome effect. We're just gonna try it and just see how it looks like, okay? Alright, let's see this. Woo! That's crazy. So this is what it looks like. Let's drop this camera down. I could see that flickering happening, right? And bam. Alright, so let's see. Maybe I just put it around here. Somewhere around. I don't know how to put this decoration, but this looks great. So this is how you spice up your video just to make it look awesome. You don't need a whole lot of tweaks and tricks, and so I'm just gonna take some thumbnail. It's just one trick that changes a lot of things. Just one trick that spices up everything entirely. I think you like the look. It's beautiful. I love it myself, and I love how it just, it's beautiful. Thanks to Dimitri for giving me a great insight. This is the real RGB. This is the real blue teal that I'm looking for. Unlike the one I had, and then I had to color grade to make it look like actual teal. So if you haven't checked me out on Instagram, please do that at Daniel.Jesse, and also follow up my brand at iCapture Films. Do not forget, I'm Daniel Jesse with iCapture Films. I'll see you some other time. You could already guess my outro. I knew that. Alright, I'll see you some other time. Enjoy the rest of the day. Peace.